Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Nurul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm pretty sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. And this time you don't have to write anything because you have to speak it while you are angry and while you are happy. Now, what is today's lift says? It says that you have to learn stress and intonation. You know, these days are one of those days when you don't have to write, you speak English and speak English correctly. Now, both of these are very important in English language speaking because stress means that you have to say that word stronger. And intonation is something else we will be learning in few seconds. Now, what is stress, by the way? Stress means you have to say that word stronger, put pressure on it. And intonation means raise your voice and lower your voice. In certain cases, we will be learning when we have to raise our voice and when we have to lower our voice. These both things are very, very important in English language speaking. Now, what is a stress? Stress means saying a word louder and stronger. So, how can we do that? By saying best friend louder and stronger. For example, she is my best friend. Have you heard? I have said the word best louder and stronger. One more example. This book is new. Have you heard? I have said the word new more stronger. Now, what is intonation? Intonation means sometimes you have to raise your voice and sometimes you have to slow it down. In what cases? When you simply say a simple sentence, you have to lower your voice at the end. For example, I like mangoes. You don't have to raise your voice because this is a simple sentence. But in case of a question, remember, whenever you have to ask a question, raise your voice at the end. For example, do you like mangoes? Have you heard? I have increased my voice at the end. So once again, in case of simple sentences, lower your voice. For example, she is my best friend. Got it? Now, if this is a question, which is, it is, so you have to raise your voice at the end. Is she your best friend? Have you heard? So always remember, if this is a simple sentence, lower your voice at the end. And if you are asking a question, raise your voice at the end. This is a very, very important rule. Now, what you have to do is, you have to come to your class one by one in a form of a presentation. Ask these questions and remember, when you are asking these questions, you have to raise your voice at the end. For example, what is your name? What is your date of birth? Where do you live? Which color do you like? And the answer will be saying in such a way that you have to lower your voice. And if you can record your voices like that, that would be pretty enough. Otherwise, give your presentation in the class in different intonation with the help of your teacher. Now, speak English, have fun. See you again in the next PLIFT. Till then, bye-bye.